السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته وأسعد الله مساكم بكل خير جميعا.
May you all have a very good
Your
evening.
Excellencies, distinguished guests from all over the world, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Saudi Arabia. And it gives me great honor and pleasure to be with you today delivering this keynote speech at the second Global AI Summit. I'm personally inspired by the level of expertise represented in this summit. And on behalf of Saudi Electricity Company, I'm grateful for the opportunity to be with you this afternoon. And personally, as well as the other citizens of Saudi Arabia, we are very proud of what the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has achieved towards our roadmap of Vision 2030, and in particular, AI aspects of this vision. Ladies and gentlemen, there are several emerging trends that we can see globally that affect the power and utility companies in multiple ways. The first trend is centered around customer experience, where we see users are expecting similar experiences to what they see in other industries like e-commerce, for example. The second trend is around energy consumption, where we see users at home, smart homes as an example, and on the go, electrical vehicles as an example, leading to increasing energy consumption, even with higher efficiencies. The third trend revolves around energy transition. Utility companies are embedding renewables and green technology in the energy mix. The fourth trend is around the environment, social, and governance, or ESG for short. On the other hand, several technological trends will enable businesses for growth and efficiency as well. And if we examine these trends, we will find that artificial intelligence is in the center of the majority of those trends. Using artificial intelligence and advanced analytics to mine large volume data can help utility companies to better and more effectively achieve on the ESG agenda, better understand customer preferences, and enable network and grid stability to ensure security of supply through real-time decision-making. The question remains on how do these technologies, and in particular AI-related ones, reshape the future of the power and utility sector. Saudi Electricity Company, as the largest power producer in the region, with more than 50% of the kingdom's power coming from more than 450 power generation units connected with more than 800,000 kilometers of transmission and distribution networks and more than 90,000 kilometers of fiber optic networks serving more than 10 million customers on smart meters. With this scope, Saudi Electricity Company has a significant opportunity to leverage its economies of scale to maximize the full potential of data and AI across the entire value chain. And this is why we have embarked on a very ambitious journey to transform and position Saudi Electricity Company as a leading digitalized utility company for the region and beyond. And this journey spans across the entire value chain with 5 key strategic focus areas to achieve highest asset reliability, build a trusted digital brand offering new products and services, and also create digital and AI as a growth engine. And most importantly, localize digital and AI jobs targeting Kingdom's youth. Let me share with you few examples in our journey across 4 dimensions. Firstly, the core business. We leverage AI and deep learning capabilities to build accurate energy demand forecasting in various network elements. In addition, we enable planning activities for network assets by advanced AI algorithm so that intervention is timely and targeted. For customer experience, we are currently using AI-empowered solutions in our call centers so that the few steps of the customer engagement are fully automated to rapidly address customer needs. Similarly, we are using AI to identify patterns of behaviors that indicate customer sentiment through various company channels to enable a world-class customer experience. For health, safety, security, and environment, we have advanced maintenance activities with AI-enabled capabilities. And just imagine efficiency, cost saving, and sustainability that are possible when an AI solution via a drone or a robot identifies with high certainty that an overhead line warrants calling out a team of engineers to fix it by empowering a drone with AI capabilities. Finally, in corporate services, with AI models, we can detect and predict shortage in our material warehouses to assure availability of material. And this helps to reduce unplanned interruption in case it occurs. Let us also take a leap in the future. A weekday in year 2030, in the evening, where millions of electrical vehicle drivers will arrive home and put their vehicles on charge, creating potentially a peak of energy demand. Artificial intelligence, by recognizing patterns of drivers who would like to keep their vehicles on charge and those who will use it overnight, the intelligent grid will ensure that the vehicle is ready for the driver's next journey. Our young women and men are deploying these solutions and many others. And as we believe in that the future generation will be AI-enabled, our digital transformation development programs focus on adapting practical capabilities in artificial intelligence and big data analytics. We have collaborated with world-class partners, locally and internationally. And yesterday, in this great summit, we have celebrated some of these agreements. Ladies and gentlemen, we at Saudi Electricity Company have been very much aware of how technology is affecting every area of our operation. And we are very deliberate on how we measure success in our journey. Aligned with the AI aspects of Vision 2030 and in full alignment with the energy ecosystem, we have continued to invest in technology and we are pushing the boundaries on digital and AI agenda. Thank you so much for your attention, and I invite you to visit our booth if you haven't done so that you can network with our young women and men leading the way. Enjoy the rest of the summit and see you in the next AI Global Summit. Thank you so much.